So ChatGPT just released a new plugin that allows you to integrate with CapCut to turn text into video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I'm using it for my business and also to share some ways that you might want to use it for yours. Let's jump into it. So first and foremost, I went ahead and I actually found some things that we can actually use for this video. I have some different topics that I wanted to talk about, like this video you're watching right now on turning ChatGPT into video from text. So I went ahead and I went into the actual text prompt window, and I actually went ahead and clicked on the settings section and then clicked on the beta feature section inside the settings section. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is when you hit on ChatGPT 4 in the top right corner here, then you're going to scroll down to plugins and it's going to allow you to select it. There are many different plugins in the plugin store for ChatGPT, so you can use any different one you want here, but I'm going to look up CapCut and actually click on this one here. It has developer info and you can even email the developer if you'd like. Now, once you went ahead and installed it, it'll allow you to uninstall it anytime, but basically you'll just select the plugin that you want to use anytime you're running a different prompt. I've went ahead and selected CapCut for this, and now I can run any kind of prompt I want to. Now, something cool that I've actually been using AI a lot for is actually going speech to text and then taking it and plugging it into any kind of plugin I want to. So for example, you can go online, you can look up different kind of speech to text tools. You can even do this on your phone now. If you want to get this one going on your phone, ChatGPT now has the ability to talk into your phone and it will actually take that speech and turn it into text. So just as a little bonus tip here, if you want to do that to run any of these video prompts, I highly recommend it. So just to see an example of what happens in real life, I'm going to take a prompt that I already ran before this video and put it inside here to see what happens. I did this one text to speech, and that actually had some grammatical errors, so I have to go in here and change it. But for example, if you say Chat GPT has that through CapCut, right, allows you to create videos from AI chat prompts. I want the dimensions to be this, and I want the B-roll to be related to AI, machine learning, robotics, SEO videos, etc. I'm hitting enter with the plugins selected up here, and now we'll run this prompt inside of the actual ChatGPT engine. You can see that it actually shows you the status here. So it's saying using CapCut, and it will actually run it. It says that it's used CapCut, and now it's created this new video, which you can then click on this video and it will take you inside CapCut. So when I go into here and I say click this video, it'll actually go inside CapCut. It'll take a little bit to load, but once it's done, then it'll actually show you how you can edit and use this video that it's created for you in seconds within CapCut. Now, if you're not familiar with CapCut, CapCut is essentially this tool which allows you to edit short videos using something like CapCut Online. Makes video editing really easy. I'm not affiliated with CapCut. This is just a plugin that's in very heavy demand right now in the business community to make videos from ChatGPT. Now, I'm gonna be honest, what came out of this from the text to video wasn't exactly what I was looking for. I'm gonna play it for you anyways, just to see what you think, but I'm curious what your thoughts are in the comments below about how this video came out and if you think the tool is actually really good so far. Now, you may not be able to hear this, but I'm gonna play it for you and you let me know what you think.
Discover the power of Chat's latest AI plugin in collaboration with CapCut. This revolutionary tool enables users to effortlessly generate videos from AI chat prompts. Dive into the world of AI, machine learning, robotics, and SEO videos. Experience the seamless integration and the limitless possibilities that this innovation brings to the table.
So it's a little bit interesting. I don't know if it's something that I would use in the way that I wanted it to be used. So for example, creating that video and then having those images there, I think it definitely leaves something to be desired, but essentially once that's inside, they've actually generated some of those images into a video for you. You can then go and edit it and move it around, change the dimensions. You can then export it from CapCut. It'll require you to actually sign up for CapCut and have an account with CapCut. But once you have that all connected, you could do all sorts of editing within there. Now, as you can see here, I went ahead and did another one with a different prompt. So if you go into here, you can see I have another prompt that says, I want to create about 10 to 15 videos inside a single video with the video clips need to be referencing AI, machine learning, robotics, futuristic videos, etc. And I don't want there to be any music, right? I actually specifically asked for no music because I thought it was really weird that in the previous example, it played classical music. Not sure why, but it did. So I decided to say, hey, I don't want any music. I don't want any, captions. But what it looks like is the output that CapCut gives you is very odd and, probably not the best for someone using ChatGPT right now. And on top of that, it actually creates what I would say is a very canned version of what you're looking for from the plugin. So, as you can see here, I mean, it's a video, but it's all still images, which is not really what I'm looking for with something like this. I mean, these images are blurry. They're not the best. But that being said, if you wanted to create something that was a little bit more generic, let's say it's just a really quick video you want to throw together, it may not be the worst thing in the world. So I hope you found this video helpful in terms of just learning how to use CapCut and learning how to use the AI plugin with CapCut for ChatGPT. It is interesting. I can see this really taking off once you actually can make the exact kind of video you're looking for. It is pretty cool that you can do things like creating the right kind of dimensions and having very specific kinds of clips that you want in it. However, the clips themselves are not actually video. They are still images, which definitely reduces, honestly, a lot of the ability for B-roll and things of that nature. So if you want to jump into it and use it, remember that you do need a ChatGPT Plus account. And if you have that, then you can go and run all these prompts through their plugin library. And there's thousands of these different plugins that they're going to be creating over the next few years. So just jump in now, find your favorite one, and I hope it's helpful. As always, I make videos about these kind of tech innovations, AI, no code, and then how to use all those things to grow business where AI is at the forefront of growing your company and capitalizing on these trends. Feel free to share this video with someone you think might find it interesting, like, subscribe. Feel free to comment below. I'm happy to troubleshoot some of these things with you. And feel free to share your thoughts. Are you liking the new ChatGPT plugin? I'm very interested to see what you think. Thanks.